In this video, I will demonstrate how to integrate MobileFirst with Eclipse, utilizing Cordova to create a mobile application, as well as importing an existing Cordova application. My name is Eric Garcia with IBM. Let's get started. To set up the environment, let us open an instance of Eclipse, Mars Java EE. We will need to install the Time plugin. Time is a plugin provided by Eclipse that enables the importing and management of Cordova applications. Open the Eclipse Marketplace and search for Time. Continue the installation process and restart Eclipse. I already have this plugin installed and will skip this step. Next, you will need to install the MobileFirst plugin for Eclipse. Once again, open the Eclipse Marketplace and search for MobileFirst plugin. Continue the installation process and restart Eclipse. Again, I already have this plugin installed, so I will back out and continue to the next step. Now with those plugins installed, we are ready to start working with Cordova. To create a new Cordova project, in the Eclipse window, click File, New, and search for Mobile. Select Hybrid Mobile Cordova Application Project and click Next. Then you can name the project and click Next. Select the desired platforms to build for, and again click Next. Here you will be able to install various Cordova plugins. In our case, we'll be installing the Cordova plugin MFP, which is the plugin used to link the MobileFirst SDKs with your project. I will simply search for MFP, select it, and click Finish. If you need other MFP related plugins, be sure to add them at this time, or they can always be added later, as I will outline when importing a project. Next, I will show you how to import an existing Cordova project. To import an existing Cordova project into Eclipse, click File, then Import. In the pop-up dialog, search for Mobile and select Import Cordova Project and click Next. From the pop-up menu, click Browse and select the root directory of your existing Cordova project. Ensure that both the project and the option to copy to workspace are selected and click Finish. Now your project will be imported. Once imported, you can add the Cordova plugin MFP by expanding your project and right-clicking on Plugins. Then click on Install Cordova Plugin. In the pop-up, you can search for MFP and install the Cordova plugin MFP and any other relevant plugins necessary for your project. Using either of these projects, the one created or imported, we can start to work. I'll be working with a local server. Here, I am starting the server from the command line. Once fully up and running, we can continue. Back in Eclipse, we can utilize the MobileFirst plugin we installed earlier to access various calls to the MobileFirst server running. Let's open a MobileFirst console by right-clicking the project within the Project Explorer and hovering over IBM MobileFirst Platform Foundation, and select Open Server Console. We now need to register our Cordova application with the MobileFirst server. So repeating those steps, we are going to click on Register App this time. Go back to the browser and refresh to show the deployed application. Now you can continue the development process of your application. If you want to preview the application in a mobile browser simulator, you can once again repeat the previous steps and select Preview App. This will open the preview in the default browser specified by Eclipse. You can see the application running in the browser. Live reload is also baked in, so if you make some changes in Eclipse and save them, you will see them updated in the browser simulator automatically. Additionally, you can run the application in an Android or iOS emulator by right-clicking within the project and selecting Run As for your desired platform. This is generally best practice for more in-depth testing, as it simulates how the app will run on a device more accurately. After following these steps, you will now be able to run a Cordova application using MobileFirst in Eclipse.